Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'll show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification, locate your toggle for the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me is right over here. Once you see it, you can hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will work. So we have things like interruptions from people, so you can select who can call you or message you, interruptions from apps, so you can exclude some apps from this mode, alarms and other interruptions, and lastly we have a schedule, so you can set up a schedule allowing you to just set it up once, enable it from here, and never bother with it again, because it will do it automatically at, as you see here. So as an example, sleeping one, it will do it every single day of the week, starting at 10 till 7. So it starts at the Do Not Disturb mode at 10 p.m. and ends it at 7 a.m. And you can also create your own ones. You can edit the ones that exist right here if you want to, but if you're planning to use them, just make sure that they are enabled right here, and that's all you would need to do. For everybody else who wants to use it manually at just occasional moments, as an example, you maybe have some kind of company meeting once every month or so, and you just want to use it that once. Once you set it up once, you can then find the toggle, tap on it to turn it on, and that's it. It will now work as long as it is enabled. So you do want to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be permanently on. And you would turn it off by simply tapping on the toggle once again. So that being said, this is how you could set up your Do Not Disturb mode and utilize it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.